is a mystery working. Verse 6. Look not upon me because I am black, because the sun has looked upon me. Now, Obiani didn't my mother's children were angry with me. They made me the keeper of their vineyards, but my own vineyard have I not kept. They made me a keeper, slavery. Then the simple definition of slavery. They made me a keeper of their vineyards, but my own vineyard have I not kept. They made me a keeper of their vineyard, but their own vineyard, my own vineyard have I not kept. They made me in my house. I can love China made, but I can't love Ghana made. They made me a keeper of their vineyard, but my own vineyard have I not kept. This is the mystery of the curse. Me pay European product, Ghana product different, Nigerian product different, Togo product different. Obimpo she Togo, Togo. They made me the keeper of their vineyards, but my own vineyard have I not kept. So we'll make sure that there is nothing inside this territory that the people will be proud of. There is nothing inside this territory that the people want to keep. There is nothing inside. They will rather kill everything inside their vineyard and keep Gucci and project what they call Air Force, Louis Vuitton. They will protect it and destroy their own vineyard. He said, they made me. Ya can't wadwini mu keke say Louis Vuitton ye papa. E obi na can't wadwini. E obi na can't wadwini. Blade de beti no no na beti to be. Obi na can't wadwini say no ye papa. Blade de beti no no na beti obi. E no ya can't wadwini say the free ho baby aye. They made me. And yes, we move on yard near papa sa. They made me. They made me. Wow. And they have made me in such a way that now.
If you want to learn digital marketing, to build your own website, get a remote job of your dreams, or even start your own online business, then...
Oh, generation of Ham. I don't trust anything from the generation of Ham. I can't keep my own generation and my own vineyard. But I am dangerously a keeper of their vineyard.